Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and find a lost Presto card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your prestocard.com on your browser and get into the official website. So here in this section, once you have done so, all you have to do is first tap on this option of support, but make sure to first of all sign in with your Presto account, which will come handed to you afterwards. Now tap on the support and now simply tap on this lost or damaged card. So losing your card, it can be common if you are in daily to daily life, if you use it commonly for the travel purpose. Of course, sometimes it can be misplaced, but the thing that you can do is you can simply come over to here. You can see we do have sign into your Presto account to report your physical card lost or stolen and transfer the balance now. So what this will do is if you tap on this report now, you will be able to register a report regarding your lost, or if it's stolen, a stolen Presto card, which will simply froze the amount or the balance that you have in that card. So whoever found it or whoever stole it won't be able to misuse your balance, right? So when after that, once you have the details of your cards, all you can do is simply transfer the balance to another new one. The thing is, you can come over here, enter your email address which is connected with your Presto account, and enter the password and simply tap on the sign in. Once you have signed in, you will be able to fill out a form regarding a report for that particular. This is simply for the security purpose, but if you have been wondering whether you can simply able to get back to the previous card, unfortunately there is no tracking way for you to do so. Once you have registered, you can simply track it where it is located and you can get it. That is not the way. All you have to do is simply try to search by yourself. Otherwise, reporting would be the safest thing that you can do in case somebody finds it and try to misuse it. Other thing is that you can simply get a new Presto, transfer the information, and transfer your balance as well. So simply this is the solution for you all. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.